Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to turn off Discord notifications. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe how to unmute it. So first of all, open your Discord and then click on user settings and click on notifications, and here is the option to enable and disable desktop notifications. All you have to need, simply disable this option. And this was the first method to disable Discord notification. And if you're still getting notification, then open your Windows settings and now click on system and click on notifications and actions and scroll down and search for Discord. Once you get it, you have to turn off notification for your Discord, and after that open your Discord again and go to notification settings and scroll down, and from here you can turn off message notification, you can turn off voice disconnected notification. So adjust your notifications from here. So this was how we can turn off Discord notifications. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe how to unmute it. Thank you for watching.